All right, welcome back to another video. Kind of not sure exactly what I want this video to be about. Um, well, let's have it be about verifying my audio first. Okay, audio looks good. You know what? I really did enjoy. There's somebody who is a part of AutoCon who built a tool. Yeah, so I did quite enjoy using. It's just I must have done something on my end, or I don't know. I accidentally hit refresh or something, and I lost all the values. So she said to use it locally. So I think I'm going to do that because I want to. I really didn't get into any of the uh, to, I really didn't get far enough into the specifics with that. So let's take a look at that. So if we go to BOF business cases, um, where is the tool? Uh, wait. Well, I'll just go to I'll just go to the. Oh,
Sounds
it's.
like you're recording and
Oh,
working through
sorry.
something live, a tool from AutoCon for business
Um,
cases that you liked but lost your progress on.
oops.
And now you're going to try running it
Sorry
locally
about
so you
that.
don't lose your work again. I'll stay quiet and let you do your video thing,
Gotcha,
but
gotcha,
if you
gotcha.
need
Okay, so I accidentally had my other AI running there. So yeah, so she recommended doing it from the actual repository. So let's do that instead. I think that'll probably be better. So we're gonna go and follow the instructions here. So yeah, this is the NAF solution wizard. It's an interactive Streamlit app to help you describe in a systematic way a proposed network automation solution using the NAF network automation framework, which is something still very much a work in progress. It guides you through, or maybe it's not. They recently called for. I don't know if it does. It's something that I need to dive deeper into. So hopefully this will help kick me off to do that. So it guides you through automation use cases, define one or more use cases with problem statements, expected outcomes, categories, triggers, and more. Standard solution blocks for a network automation solution. So presentation, intent, observability, orchestration, collector, executor. External system dependencies, staffing, and planning timeline. With this input, the app will generate a consolidated report and a bundled zip containing number one, a markdown report, NAF underscore report underscore, and then the specific file name generated from your inputs, export JSON export, NAF underscore report under. So they're all going to have that prefix there. This will be JSON of the input data, and then an optional Gantt.png. Gantt I think is spelled wrong. Oh, I guess I just didn't know how to spell Gantt. I thought it had an H in it. I thought it was spelled like this. Nope. Okay, Gantt is spelled wrong in my mind, and this corrected the spelling. All right, so review the solution wizard on Streamlit app. Yeah, so this is what I did in the last video, and it's worth installing. I lost the values, might have been just something on my end. So if I'm running it locally, it might be more resilient. All right, features. Guided expanders with sensible defaults. Suppresses placeholder text in highlights. Live detailed solution description, preview markdown of the export. Single zip download including JSON and MD plus PNG when available. Import back a previous JSON file. Merge or you can overwrite your values. So you need Python 3.9 plus. You need Streamlit, uh, Plotly, Ginger 2, optional, which I will install. You need Kaleido for static PNG Gantt export. So installation UV. Yep, that's the best way to install something right now. Um, so and it looks like you have to use either Mac OS or Linux. Let's see if I have subsystem for Linux set up on this machine. This machine just got back from the shop, so yeah, I don't. Okay, so let's set up a subsystem for Linux. Can you help me set up the Windows subsystem for Linux? Oh, are you there? Can you hear me?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help you with that. Setting up the Windows subsystem for Linux is pretty straightforward these days. So, first you'll want to open up PowerShell as an administrator and run a command to enable WSL. After that, you'll just install your preferred Linux distribution from the Microsoft Store and you'll be good to go. Just let me know if you want me to walk you through it step by step.
Oh, it's really slow today. Okay, we don't need voice mode. Voice mode is a deeper model, is a weaker model anyway. We just need the regular one. It's being invoked, but there's no Linux user LAN, no distro installed. So just go through all the instructions here and get this set up. Yeah, I think there's no this Docker desktop. Okay, so we'll give it this data. There we go. Should have a better sense of what to do after that. Okay, so we'll do Ubuntu. Can we do with X? C. My laptop is set up that way. Okay. So Ubuntu. Um, okay, so it'd be this one anyway. This is all we need. We don't need the XFCE. Uh, okay, so yeah, a bunch of things are going wrong. Let's figure it out. Oh, it expects to be in PowerShell as well. Oh, I see. Okay, cool. Shouldn't be a space afterwards, right? Oh, so it doesn't matter. Okay, there's a success. Go. Yep, saw that. Now we can start it. Oh, interesting. Still didn't work even after all that. Okay, so now I have to save this. Oh yeah, in okay. Yeah, this should save to the downloads folder automatically. This is one of those things where trusting ChatGPT can be a problem still in this day and age. Um, I actually recently I have a story where what was it exactly? Oh, I know exactly what it was. So I bought this ThinkPad X280, which people love. I posted about it on LinkedIn. I got 1,000 people looking at that post. Um, but it's quite old. The X280 was released probably 2009. 280 ThinkPad release date. Oh no, that would be really old. 2018. So it's not that it's 8 years old. It's not that bad. Um, but it's bad enough that the um, the graphics are like all different on it. Like it doesn't have like a regular graphics card. It doesn't have the same. Does it even have a? What does it have? Okay, it has HDMI ports, but it's basically when I was the graphical interface of the installer for for Ubuntu Linux wasn't compatible with this machine because the machine graphics were too old. So I worked, hours and hours with ChatGPT. Couldn't get it to work. Couldn't get it to work. Couldn't get it to work. And then I Googled it, and the first result, I figured it out in 30 seconds because the first result was like the graphics drivers or whatever the real world. It's like the graphics are messed up, so you have to set a flag in the configuration to use like different graphics. So it was literally just one line, like something equals false or something, and then it worked flawlessly. So it's like we're still in the day and age where um, you can Google for something and do it faster and better. It's not time to just completely give up Google yet and just only use the AIs. Well, I'm sure we'll get there, possibly even by the end of 2026. But as of January 2026, or when I worked on this laptop, which was probably December 2025, we are not there yet. Okay, so now I can do the next commands. There we go. Right, and now I should be able to launch Ubuntu. Uh, okay. Yeah, so maybe this is one of those situations where I could just simply Google it. Where did this download to? Did this download to GPosh downloads? Where am I here? Uh, yeah, users GPosh downloads. So it should be in there. Yeah, it's in there. I never installed it. Okay, it's installing now. Okay, now we're talking. Ah, here we go. Oh, right. Now I have to do a new name and password. There we go. Okay, now we got it. Okay, so now I can follow the instructions to set up the calculator, the wizard. Ah, command UV not found. Let's see here. Oh, the curl didn't. Oh, was the command curl not even found? Oh, it was installed to a very strange folder. Let's do sudo apt update. All right, sudo apt install uv. We'll have to get uv. Help me set up. Now help me set up uv. Okay. Did this already. I'll just do it again. Okay. It's not in the package repositories that come by default, so we have to add. Uh, we have to install it via the official installer. Okay, so now we're good. Oh, we have to reload the shell as well. Should be good now. Looks good. So okay, so we're gonna lock it in, not just install and forgotten. Okay, let's do that. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh, that's just Python 3. Gotcha. This will be empty as well. Yep. But if we do which Python 3, it'll tell us. Okay. Alright, so we'll do this next. So UV works. Let's take a look. Install rough and formatting defaults. Yeah, okay, we can do that. Create this 2 mil defaults. So we're going to do vim py project.toml. Oh, here we go. I already have it. So in insert mode now. There we go. Tool.rough line length plus 100. Target version equals pi 312. Okay. VS Code integration. Not found. Allow it. Really allow it. Okay. Global ergonomics. Worth doing once. Alright, let's do it once. Why not? Okay, so let's give it all everything we did here and see what it thinks. You're set. The only issue you're seeing is expected. Yeah, so I guess we could do. So option A recommended. Yeah, use UV run. Use this pattern everywhere. Okay, can do that. I think we're good to move on to this next step here. Yeah, we don't need the demo UV, so we'll remove that. Okay, and we'll do this command here. Perfect. Now this command. Oh, we got a problem here. Uh, oh, right. We have to move to the project folder. Oh, and this was for the installation of UV. Okay, which we've got done. So yeah, we have to clone the project folder. Oh, right, and I literally just created this, so we have to do a SSH keygen. Or what is it, one command? SSH keygen? Oh, there's a dash. There you go. Yeah. Alright, and I can show my public as long as I don't show my private. Nobody can intercept or do anything nefarious. Duplicate. profile. Oops, not profile. Settings. SSH and GPT keys. SSH key. Oops, doesn't go there. Goes here. So also after repairs. Perfect. 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 Okay. We can use the pass key as well. There we go. We got it. So now should be able to pull this down. Let's see. There we go. Okay. So now we can do this locally, which I think is better. Okay. So there we go. So now we can move into it. Yep, it's right there. I don't know why NAF is written twice there. Um, yeah, it should just be written once. Okay, UV sync. Perfect. UV is set up and working good. Now here's the Streamlit app. So, if you'd like to receive helpful occasional swag. Otherwise, leave it blank. I'll leave it blank. Okay, so it should be. Yeah, here we go. So now, I mean, this is the same thing. I'm still going to lose my values if I accidentally refresh or something, right? Let's see. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. And then refresh. Yeah, all the values are gone. I mean, maybe it's less likely that I'll refresh or something, but all the values are still gone. But that's okay. I just want to use the tool front to back. Um, so how to use the wizard. Open the app, see the commands above. In the left sidebar, use load saved solution wizard JSON to reset or import a previous JSON. Yeah, so that's a key. You've got to, if you fill something out significant, you just got to save it. Work through the expanders. Presentation, target users, interaction patterns, tools, and auth. Intent, what will be developed and what you already have. Observability, health signals, go/no-go logic tools. Orchestration, choose no or describe your orchestration approach. Collector, methods, auth, normalization, scale, collection tools. Executor, change/intent execution methods. Dependencies, systems/interfaces required. Staffing, timeline, and milestones, dates, and staffing plan. Gantt will be generated. The main page shows solution highlights and a collapsible detailed solution description preview. When any meaningful input is present, the sidebar shows save solution artifacts to download a zip with. All right. So .json. Okay. So yeah. So you receive a zip with various files in it. To reload, use the upload control and ensure the file name matches. Yeah. So if you wanna upload it back on, you're gonna have to unzip the file that you received and then pick out the JSON. So wizard blocks, expanders, load saved solution wizard in JSON, my role, automation, project title and description, guiding questions by framework components, presentation, intent, observability, orchestration, collector, executor, dependencies and external interfaces, staffing, timeline, and milestones, detailed solution description, markdown supported, notes and tips. If Gantt.phg is missing, install Kaleido and retry. JSON schema, the wizard generates JSON payloads that conform to a defined schema. Schema location is there. Documentation is there for detailed field descriptions, which would be good to look into. Validation, the schema includes validation rules for all fields. IDE support, use the schema for autocomplete and validation in modern IDEs. The schema defines the structure for all 11 sections of the wizard payload, including initiative details, stakeholder information, math components, dependencies, and timeline data. So I think this is all I can do right now. I'd like to do more, but yeah, we're already half an hour in, so I think I'm just gonna post this one and then come back and do more in another video.